Namaskar, everyone. I am Nayanika Ghosh Chaudhary, Kathak artist, teacher, and also engaged with some social organizations to promote our rich cultural heritage. I extend my grateful thanks to Srimati Geeta Shankaran Lamji, who is a very dear friend to mine. And I'm also associated as a Kathak teacher with her school GST to invite me to this beautiful digital festival, Kusumapriya. The name is so nice here. To share my platform with other eminent dance personalities across the globe, as well as some young, promising senior dancers of GST. Wish you all a very happy, blessed, and prosperous Navaratri. Namaskar.
मधुकैटव विध्वंसी विधात्री वरदे नमः रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि महिषासुरनिर्णाशि भक्तानां सुखदे नमः रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि धूम्रनेत्र वधे देवी धर्म कामार्थदायिनी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि रक्तबीज वधे देवी चण्डमुण्ड विनाशिनी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि.
So this year, some few days back, when Geeta ji came up with the idea of this festival and regarding a very interesting concept that what I can portray in my presentation is the Kathak in Bollywood movies. As you all know that Indian movies is very much associated with the dance and music, and especially the form of Kathak is long time associated with Indian movies and has a very huge impact on the mind of the audience. So here I have thought about this idea and already I have walked it before with my other students. This is a very brief time. In this time I've just picked up three iconic Indian movie songs starting from the era of 60s to 90s. So I have first chosen a song from the film Mughal-e-Azam, where there is a quotation. The actress is here, Madhubala. The quotation is in the court of Emperor Akbar, and she is singing and dancing the song Mohe Pan Ghat Pe. Mohe Pan Ghat Pe Nand Lal Chhed Gayo Re. Mohe Pan Ghat Pe Mor Najuk Kalaiya Marod Gayo Re. Mor Najuk Kalaiya marod gayo re mohe pan ghat pe. So here the interesting thing why I picked up this song specially, first of all, this is choreographed by Pandit Lachu Maharaj ji, uncle of Pandit Birju Maharaj ji, and definitely Madhubala ji has portrayed this song and she has immortalized, and this is the song singing a Muslim quotation in a court of the Mughal emperor, but the song depicts the story of Krishna and Radha. So we can see a very nice correlation between the Hindu and Muslim cultures here. So the meaning of the song I would like to say, Mohe Pan Ghat Pe Nandalal Chhed Gaye. Nandalal is the Krishna. Radha is saying that Panghat means the river bank, that Krishna is teasing me in the river bank, and More najuk kalaiya marod gayo re. Means my delicate wrists. He just hold my delicate wrists and teasing me. So I have just taken a little very short stanza, the first stanza of this song, and that is followed by another next song from the film of Umrao Zan. And this is especially a very authentic, you can say, the quotation style of Kathak, where Kathak has been danced in these kotas, I would say, like you can say the term we use, bajis. So these quotations, the Kathak has lived many years, and they have just helped to blossom the art of Kathak very much. They are very much learned dancers, they are poetess, and they are very graceful ladies who used to entertain the general audience as well as the, you can say, the other authorities of the king or Nawabs. So this film, the Umrao Zan, where Rekha has portrayed the character of Umrao Zan, Ada, her name is there. So she's purely a politician, and here she is just entertaining the her mehfil, means the evening she is entertaining. दिल चीज़ क्या है आप मेरी जान लीजिए, दिल चीज़ क्या है या आप मेरी जान लीजिए, बस एक बार मेरा कहा, बस एक बार मेरा कहा मान लीजिए. Means she's telling that forget my heart, take my life instead, but just for once just accept what I say. Dil means the heart, and the next the line comes that for the friends who are not true to their friendships, but is it that so that you take favors from us strangers? So this is a very beautiful and a very, you can say, famous and iconic song of Kathak, and this has been choreographed by legendary Gopi Krishna. And the third song I have taken from a very recent movie, not recent, I would say that late 90s, Devdas. And this song has been choreographed by my guru Pandit Padma Bhushan Vibbechu Maharaji, and has been picturized on Madhuri Dixit, and definitely she is a very good Kathak dancer. So we can see a very genuine Kathak moves here. The choreography has been done by good Kathak dancers. So काहे छेड़ छेड़ मोहे गरबा लगाए, काहे छेड़ छेड़ मोहे गरबा लगाए, काहे छेड़ छेड़ मोहे गरबा लगाए, नंद कलाल ऐसो ढीठ, नंद कलाल ऐसो ढीठ, बरबस मोर लाज लेनी, लाज लेनी, लाज लेनी, बरबस मोर लाज लेनी, विंदा शाम मानत नाही, विंदा शाम मानत नाही, कासे कहूँ मैं अपनी जिया के सुनत नाही, नाही काहे छेड़. The meaning is that Radha is asking Krishna, this is actually, I would like to say, this is a traditional tumri of our Kathak repertoire. So Maharaj has used it in the movie. So the kahe chhed chhed, Krishna, Radha is asking Krishna that why are you teasing me so much? Why are you disturbing me so much? And Nandikalal means Krishna's father, father's son, Nanda's son, he is there. नंद के लाल ऐसे ढीठ बरबस मोरी चुनरी ली, means he is so mean and stubborn that he is not listening to me. He stole my he stole my honor. He just has taken away my veil, and he has left me to nowhere. He doesn't listen at all, and I feel so helpless. So Binda Sham means she's just asking, hey, oh Lord, just help me from this boy. Just tell her not to tease me much more. So this 3 songs I have taken, and I hope that you will enjoy in a pure Kathak style what I have tried to portray. Thank you so much.
बस एक बार मेरा कहा, बस एक बार मेरा कहा मान लीजिए, बस एक बार मेरा कहा मान लीजिए। दिल चीज क्या है आप मेरी जान लीजिए। लेकिन ये क्या के गैर का, लेकिन ये क्या के गैर का एहसान लीजिए, लेकिन ये क्या के गैर का एहसान लीजिए। दिल चीज क्या है आप मेरी जान लीजिए।
मालती गुंधाय केश प्यार घुगवारे, मालती गुंधाय केश प्यार घुगवारे। मुख दामिनी सिदाम खत छाल मतवारी, चाल मत वारी
शाम रोक लई ढाई शाम रोक लई औचक मुख चूम लई सर से मोरी चुनरी गई सर से मोरी चुनरी गई सरक 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 सरक